edition. It's Korean Book 8. You can go to their website and contact them if you need books. I've received some books from them. They're brand new books. I've received encyclopedias from them, and they're like, I ordered them. I asked them in uh, 2015, and they sent us 2014 encyclopedias. And they were like brand new books. Some of the books are still in the plastics. These are some of the unsuccessful programs that we have. We've tried them, but we didn't success. One is the stories in vernacular, in our own language. We work with the Pumbay Story here to have their staff, because they have all this collection in our stories and our legends. But they came, but then somehow it stopped. So that's one of the programs that did success. And a free computer workshop. We also have free computer workshop, but then the guy that was doing the workshop, he was kind of afraid of, I think he said that there were some kids that were logging into some sites that are not good for kids, so he was afraid that he might get in trouble with that, so we stopped that. Collaboration with the migration studies, we've had that before, but then also stopped. The migration studies at the College of Migration. And the College Prep program is a program that was run by the Peace Corps volunteer. It's a program for seniors that they come in the library and then they will introduce them the college that they have in the state, and also teach them how to fill out the financial aid form before going to college. And that also stopped. And it's good. We have one fiscal year, maybe we can work together after this. And that's the end of my presentation. That's Kalangan, and thank you. Any question? Can you? Yeah, I talked about that. The library week, yeah, we have that.
Okay, and then my question is, are you still, like, for example, if I have a working group, something like that, for so many years, do you still, like, hold them, or you keep them free something?
We charge 5 cents per day for late files. But if you hold on the book, like, for 3 months, 2 months, that's way beyond $1. Our max charge is $1 if you return the book. We don't charge people beyond that $1. It's $1 the maximum charge for late files. Yeah. But if it's damaged, then they have to pay $5. Damage and loss is $5.
Yeah, what I'm saying is, like, you keep them free, not to pay, and they can bring that to
No, I know when I came in the library during library week, you do that. When it's library week, you have the kids, all over the books to, they can return the books without charging them, but we don't do that. All right, thank you.